Welcome to another episode of the Deathly Orbs Devlog. I've changed a lot this month. Let's have a look. I've drawn and animated this cute guy. Coding the animals was quite a challenge. I don't load blocks that the camera can't see to save performance, but doing the same thing for the animals is much harder because they keep moving all the time. I got it to work efficiently thanks to object pooling. I gave the animals a little brain so they can move around a bit, made the game save them into the save file along with the blocks, and moved on to improve the UI. I created the options panel, which, as the name suggests, has a ton of options to play with. All of the options work and get saved. Included in there is the option to change every key binding in the game.
Wow!
Also, see this button? Animations in Unity get messed up on disabled objects, and it took way too much time to get the toggle animation to work. Glad I did it though, cause it looks awesome. Continuing the UI improvements, I added an option to pause the game. As you can see, you can now pause, resume, save, and quit. Another feature I added is item distraction. All you need to do is drag an item, and the cool trash icon will appear. Remember I told you how annoying trees were? Well, now you can walk right through them. As you probably noticed already, I also redid the tree texture and the leaf texture. And if I'm already improving the vegetation, why not add some flowers? The flowers looked nice, but in order for the player to truly appreciate them, I added an option to zoom in and out. Alright, the top layer of the world now looks great, but it's too repetitive. I want to mix it up a bit and add support for different biomes. It means I have to recode the world generation system, and also save the biomes a bit differently. Okay, here's the testing biome I created. It doesn't look that good, it's just a bunch of stone, but I'll add actual biomes later. While the overground world got improved, the caves were kind of neglected. I added a new kind of ore to them, iron.
Wow! Wow!
But wait, the iron must be refined in a forge, and there's no forge in the game. Let's make one. Ladies and gentlemen, the forge. It's fully functional and it's drag and drop, just like the inventory. It checks whatever you throw into it, so I can't say use the stone as a fuel. It all gets saved correctly to the save file, and I built it in a generic way, so I can use the same code in the future to make other containers. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.